I want to show you how to shoot a video, make it go viral, and keep your subscribers watching. Whenever we shoot a video as a content creator, our prayers in the back of our mind is let this video go viral because it increases our channel visibility and it brings in more subscribers. Follow this step I will tell you and your channel will get that visibility you are hoping for. Sprinkles, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos of personal improvement, vlogs and how-to videos. If it's your first time of seeing my face, please don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. I will always ask you to subscribe because in this channel we learn a whole lot here. If you go through my videos, you will definitely gain one value. So guys, in today's video I will be talking about how to elevate your YouTube video, make them go viral and keep your subscribers watching. So guys, my first point will be create or share value packed video. Of course, that should be the first point. The English is as clear, as simple as I said it. People are glued to channels that give them value for their time. You don't want to just open up a video and you're wasting your time because you don't even understand what the person is saying. You will just click out from that video and that way you won't even subscribe to your channel and your watch hour time will definitely drop. So what you want to do, you should share value based video. And what I mean by value based video is that value means different things to different people. It could be entertaining them, like comedy type kind of video, skit kind of video. It could be motivating them. There's a lot of motivating channel over there, affirmation videos. People love watching channels that motivate them to do things, inspire them, like cooking video, recipe video, baking videos and stuff like that. So value means different things to different people. Just find your own value and share it, okay? And just like my channel, I teach on how-to videos and I also in my shorts I bake, I cook, so all those kind of things. If people find your channel to be valuable, they stick to your channel and watch your video to the end. So let's move on to the next point. So guys, my next point will be create catchy thumbnail. I use Canvas app to create all my thumbnail. There are other apps you can use to create and design your thumbnail. Now if you want me to shoot a video on how I design or create my thumbnail, I will definitely do that, so just leave it in the comment section. But I will advise you that your thumbnail should contain these elements: catchy, curiosity and interest. When a video is catchy, it brings curiosity. You want to be like, this thumbnail, what is it talking about? That is, you have create curiosity in them, and from that curiosity they click on the video to watch, and that means you have created interest from curiosity. So if somebody is not interested in your video, just move it and pass. But when your video is catchy and it creates curiosity, and when somebody is curious, it always creates interest. So these three things work in hand in hand. So you have to create your thumbnail having these three things at the back of your mind, and you will see that people will just keep on clicking. Your click-through rate will be increasing because people are looking at your thumbnail to click on your video. Okay, so let's move on to the next point. So guys, my next point is use interesting title. If you notice, I didn't put thumbnails and title together as a topic, because to me they mean different things. Even if people didn't click because of your thumbnail, people would click because of an interesting title. I have seen a thumbnail that is rough, that is not nice at all, but still have millions of views on that video because the title is interesting and people clicked not because of the thumbnail but because of the title. Humans are all visuals creation. Even when it comes to food, people use their eyes to eat before they use their mouth to eat. So that is just a proverb. But before people click on a video, their eyes must have signaled something, and something will have catch their attention. Either your thumbnail will get the attention or your title will get the attention. So make sure both of these are very, very interesting. Work on them. Have those things I said about thumbnails and have the thing I said about title, at the back of your mind whenever you're creating a thumbnail or you're writing a title. Okay, so let's move on to the next point. So guys, my next point is keep your video simple and straight to the point. If you cannot grab the attention immediately they start watching the video, which is called the hook, if you can't grab their attention, they will just click off. What you have to have at the back of your mind is that people attention span on social media is very little, including mine. My attention span is very little. If I am not getting what you're saying under a minute, I am clicking off, except I am really interested in what you got to say, so I just wait for you to blab and I watch the video. So you have to keep your video simple, straight to the point. Stop digressing and saying unnecessary things to make the video long. Just go straight to the point. Your subscribers will definitely watch your videos and connect with you. But when you're always digressing, they won't understand what you're saying. Remember, nobody is patient, especially YouTube subscribers. They are very impatient. And if you don't give them what they want as quickly as possible, there's a sure bet that they will click off without watching the video 2-3 minutes. So know what you're doing. So guys, my next point is don't overdo transition, text and stickers. I'm not subbing anybody. Just don't overdo transitions, subscribe buttons, notification. Don't overdo them. If people find your video interesting, they will subscribe to your channel and they will like the video. Okay, when you curtail those text, transitions, stickers and everything you put at the front of your video, it makes your video look put together, in order and look clean. It makes your subscriber know that you know what you're doing. It's not that you put everything on your videos and your video will look crowded. People will not see your face. They'll just be seeing subscribe button, they'll just be seeing stickers, they'll just be seeing this left and right. So you know how to curtail those things and make your video look clean, simple, neat, put together, and you're good to go. Your subscribers will find your video interesting and keep on watching and watching and watching, and they might even go back to watch other videos. Let them see what you have done. If you follow these steps I've said in this video, your YouTube video will elevate and your channel will gain the visibility you need and you will get more subscribers. I've gotten to the end of this video. Please give this video a huge like, so it will tell the algorithm that this video is good to get to other people and it will bring other people to watch this video and learn. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. I will definitely answer. In fact, I love interacting with my subscribers, and please share this video so it will get to other people and other people will watch and learn. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.